All right, Steven with Retro Rides. Here we are with Glenn's 64 OLDsmobile. Came to us with some fuel return issues and some carburetor issues, but we're also going to be getting this polished up. So we're doing a quick wet sand, and then we'll come back with a buffer. But we're gonna start out with 2,500, then to 3,000, and then we'll come back with the wheel and get this cleaned up. There are, I don't know if you can see, there are some test panels on this side here that we've done. 2,500, 3,000 in the wheel, just the wheel, and then 3,000 in the wheel. We decided to go back to this one here. It's just got a deeper luster to it. It cut a little deeper. This has got years of oxidation on it, so basically I'm starting out with the trunk lid. A lot of work, but we're just getting it wet sanded down with 2,500. Then I'll come back with 3,000, do the same thing over again, and then we'll come back and we'll hit it with the wheel, and it should turn out like this patch right here. That's kind of what our goal is. So with that, lots of sanding today. Yeah, we're gonna be taking off some color. Basically, it's just taking off the top coat of whatever is there. Since this paint it's been sitting so long, we have to be really careful with our corners, with our ridges, with any kind of shapes. So, as you can see in this panel here, there's just a barrier all the way up here. We won't sand all the way to the edge. We'll just leave it for the wheel to catch. That way we aren't taking off excess paint and then leaving us with nothing when we get to the wheel portion. So that's where I'm at. Just started this morning. I'll see you in about 3 days. Driving this sucker around. Turned out really nice. Had a couple other fellas, Dane and Larry, helping me out with the finishing touches, but we got it pretty much all sanded and buffed out, then with some nice finished coats of wax around the whole car. Went around and scuffed up the trim, got the trim nice and pretty. It's really a solid car. I mean, it turned out really nice. The interior's really sweet and clean, and we got that all cleaned up. So right now I'm just kind of going around doing the finishing touches and getting ready to hand it off to Glenn when he comes down later today.